Our vast blue realm, a world teeming with life, now under threat. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet's surface. It helps regulate Earth's climate and provides oxygen. Our oceans are essential for life. Millions of species call it home. But this vibrant world faces danger. Pollution poses a growing threat. Human activities are the root cause. This is an urgent global problem. Our actions can protect this realm. The relentless tide of contamination sources and immediate dangers. Plastic waste is a major culprit. It is a truly ubiquitous problem. Vast amounts enter from land, rivers. Discarded fishing gear also contributes. It breaks down into tiny microplastics. These fragments can last for centuries. They drift through every ocean current, a persistent pollutant in our seas. Oil spills cause terrible destruction. These are often accidental discharges. Thick oil coats birds and mammals. It smothers their feathers and fur. Sunlight cannot reach marine plants. Toxic chemicals linger for years. Ecosystems suffer devastating harm. The impact is immediate and stark. Untreated sewage flows into the sea. Agricultural runoff carries excess nutrients. Nitrogen and phosphorus are harmful. These substances cause algal blooms. The algae grow rapidly, then die. This process depletes precious oxygen. It changes the water's chemistry, creating unhealthy conditions for life. Industrial chemicals also cause harm. Heavy metals like mercury, poison. Persistent organic pollutants, or POPs. These are often invisible killers, but they are extremely dangerous. They alter the ocean's delicate chemistry. Marine organisms are slowly poisoned, a hidden threat with grave consequences. A choking embrace. How pollution harms our marine neighbors. Sea turtles are particularly vulnerable. They tragically mistake plastic bags for the jellyfish they normally eat. Ingesting plastic leads to starvation. They also get tangled in old nets and in discarded fishing lines. Unable to surface, they can drown. Their populations are sadly declining. Seabirds suffer greatly from plastics. They often ingest small plastic pieces, mistaking them for food, tragically. They then feed these plastics to their unsuspecting young chicks. Oil slicks damage their feathers. They lose their ability to fly and cannot keep themselves warm. Fish populations are also affected. They suffer from many pollutants. Microplastics can fill their stomachs. This leaves no room for real food. Chemicals cause serious internal damage. This affects their growth and health and their ability to reproduce, contaminating an important food source. This leads to bioaccumulation. Harmful toxins begin to build up. Tiny creatures ingest these pollutants, then larger creatures eat them. The toxins become more concentrated as they move up the food chain. Top predators suffer the most, a serious threat to the entire web. Section 4. Silent suffocation, dead zones, dying reefs, and the specter of extinction. Dead zones are a stark reality. They are caused by nutrient pollution. Excessive algae bloom rapidly. Then these algae die and decompose. Bacteria consume all the oxygen during this decomposition process. The water becomes hypoxic, lifeless. Vast areas are unable to support life. The impact of dead zones is severe. Most marine life cannot survive there. Fish and other mobile creatures flee if they are able to escape. Bottom-dwelling organisms will suffocate. These once thriving areas become barren. Biodiversity is tragically lost. A silent underwater desolation. Coral reefs are dying globally. These are incredibly sensitive ecosystems. Pollution directly smothers delicate corals. Chemicals can cause coral bleaching. Sediment runoff blocks vital sunlight. Reefs provide essential habitats for a quarter of all marine life. Their loss is truly catastrophic. This all increases extinction risk. Pollution steadily weakens many species. It destroys their homes and food. Some species are very specialized. They are particularly vulnerable now. There is a real risk of them disappearing from our Earth forever. A tragic and irreversible loss. Section 5. A sea of hope, turning the tide through collective action. There is still hope. Global efforts are growing. Scientific research guides us. We can all make positive changes. The tide can be turned. Many solutions are underway. Countries are improving waste management, efforts to reduce plastic grow. New technologies help clean our seas. International cooperation is vital. Individual actions make a difference. Each one of us can play a part. Reduce your own use of plastic. Dispose of all your waste properly. Support businesses that are sustainable. Join local cleanup groups. Educate others about this issue. Every small effort helps protect. We share a collective responsibility. The oceans connect us all. Their health is our health. We must protect them for the wildlife within, for ourselves and our communities, and for future generations. Let us cherish our blue planet.